tall order as what we're working on to achieve as artists in this small group, and that is work that we want to make commercially viable and work that speaks to our deepest selves. So what we're doing is we are integrating it simultaneously, and sometimes it brings up the inner critic. So over the course of a decade, I've called, what I teach structure and release. The release part is just allowing for the emotional self to come in, and the structure is go back to the details, or mix some paint, or find some colors that you've never used before, doing a value scale, something that gets us in our left brain while we're allowing for the unconscious to assimilate the deep work that we're doing that we want to bring forward in our paintings.